2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called as 32, right? 32 pin now tagonu. First ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ 32 ಗೆ 32 we will insert like this. Done. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 32 ಗೆ 32ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Done. Second option. Then we will take this one. Pin number 1 to pin number 1. 32. That's it. This work has been done. This will keep here. Then what we will do, sir? You have to insert this ground part with this one. Done. We should keep this one. Then sir. Then this is nothing but sir. Programmer power. Then we will take check the TV back. Then sir, first two things we required are the KV9011. Please select your EC. Please select your EC. EC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸರ್ which one sir? The IO controller ITE, right sir?
Sir, ENE sir.
Yes sir?
ENE.
Sir, ENE, right? So we will select ENE. Means obviously sir, if you select ENE, KV90XX only it will come. We'll select this one and we'll go for select. Press reset button. Press the reset button. Exit. I will go for this one. It's reading, right sir? It's the position. Now select MB for motherboard part number sir. LA 80 811
LAE 811P.
This is LAB, right sir? So we have to find E now. LAE 811P. Right sir? What is the pin number sir?
32.
32. Pakka?
Yes.
Select 32 and FFC cable is nothing but again what sir? 32. FFC cable means sir? This
32
cable.
pin.
Yes, this is a 32 pin, right sir? I selected 32 pin. Pin 1 connected to pin 1 on the motherboard keyboard. Already we checked from pin 1 to pin 1. The connection created. Please connect ground. Already connected. We connected ground. And A15. This is nothing but a pin configuration. It man. This is nothing but a. So 15 where exactly it comes? 17. This is 15. Pin B28. Ma'am, idella barthe ma'am classes alli.
28.
28, right sir? 28 where it is here. 28.
And 31.
C 31.
Yes.
Then B30. So 30 comes here. And E27. E27 where it comes? This part. Yes. That's it. I connected this also. Now I'll go with the KB90XX read. I'll go with the next option there. This one. Sir, here we have to connect this one, sir. Connect power cord, sir. Let it be, sir. We'll check. 90XX. No, sir, it's already reading. So this is nothing but a backup, sir, which we are getting here. I'll save this one like this one, this right, sir. Then I'll make this one as a save. Then I have to attach new file. Then it is open. I'll go to desktop, go to my computers, go to D, go to JTB bin file, go to HP, then here sir E811P, and this is bin file EC bin, and I'll attach this one. What is the value? 128 KB sir. Right sir. Say open. Then sir, data is written correctly, the current time is here. This is nothing but sir, IO program. Can I exit this?
Yes.
Okay.